How to add PayPal payments to Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which is going to load up my Squarespace website. Now from the left hand side, we want to go to settings and then choose the option for selling right here, and then go to store payments. Once we have clicked on store payments, it will show us this, add ways to receive payments. And we will scroll down a little bit until we're able to see this. So PayPal, connect PayPal business to let customers pay with PayPal or Venmo account. So if we click on connect, it will show us that we need to be not in trial mode, but basically if you get a subscription on Squarespace, then you can just link your account here, your PayPal business account, to this page, and you will be able to receive payments through PayPal on your Squarespace website or store. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.